Hi everyone, how are you? Today is the cloudy day. It is monsoon here. It's the month of August and it's monsoon. The weather is cloudy and I'm loving this greenery. Here we have sowed horse gram. So you can see horse gram. So horse gram is a legume. It is rich in proteins, iron. So it's a good source of protein and iron. So basically, this is a kind of a black and red mixed soil. It's stony. There are more gravels, hilly, more rocks. And yeah, in that patch of the land, we have sowed ragi. Ragi, yet another source of iron, calcium. So it's a millet. And where we have sowed ragi, it's still yet to germinate. Yeah, I think you can see ragi. Correct. The saplings have come up here. And this is the ragi area, and that's the horse gram area. That's the Tungabhadra river, and this is our place. And I'll show you the hospital. It's a serene place. It is just adjacent to the state highway. It's actually drizzling, and those are the Western Ghats. Yeah, and this comes near the foothills of the Western Ghats, and you can see that is the state highway. Here comes our hospital, NPJS Chirayush Wellness Hospital and Research Institute. It's a naturopathy yoga hospital. Yes, this is the hospital. This is the Tungabhadra river, and that's the state highway. We use solar energy for electricity. Naturopathy hospital amidst nature. Very, very beautiful ambience. We have planted saplings, like around 150 plus saplings here. All kind of fruits, flowers. Yes, NPJS Chirayush Wellness Hospital and Research Institute in Rattihalli Taluk, Haveri district, Karnataka, India. It started to rain. It's drizzling. That's the backyard. Okay, then see you.